that is a coordinator of all the extracurricular activities. And because they're doing training for the summer camps, they actually work with summer camps directly to provide stuff for them.
Она готовит вожатых для лагерей не только в республике, но и в
So not only in Tatarstan, but also across the Russia, where they need those summer camps where they need professionals who know how to be counselors, who know how to be leaders, who know how to be educators.
Заслуженный учитель Республики Татарстан.
So she is recognized in the Republic of Tatarstan as one of the master teachers.
Это очень почетное звание.
So it's a very big honor to have carried that status.
За заслуги как раз продвижения вот этого вожатского движения.
So this, if you remember, guys, during the perestroika, the whole system of after-school activity with pioneers and комсомольцы fell through. So in 2000, parents were asking schools to step up because kids were completely left unattended. Our parents were working. So now it's the camps and after extracurricular activity coming back because otherwise your children stay on a computer, or at a tablet all the free times. Yes.
What would be the ages of the children?
Какого возраста дети есть обычно в мире?
Вот третий курс, 17 лет, 18 лет, третий курс, они вот каждый студент, учитель начальный класс, будущий, они проходят летнюю лагерную практику, и мы готовим их к этой практике. И вот тут у нас все сборники, это вот изданные нами сборники, наши преподаватели.
Уникальная область.
So the students of the college, when they're 17 years of age, are required, they go for early education or childhood development to spend summers as internship and summer camps. They, based on that experiences, they're 17 and obviously 18, so after that they get certified, they can do it professionally. Based on all of those experiences, 4 textbooks have been published with samples of assignment and such. But какие дети ездят в лагеря, кроме вожатых? С какой группой детей они работают возрастной?
Дети школьного возраста.
So any child who attends school from age 7 to age 16 will be the students of the camp, and the 17 years old is in charge of organizing and actually chaperoning them. And obviously the director of the camp will be a teacher, so responsible adult.
Вопросы еще есть? Если у вас будут вопросы, можно будет потом задать.
Any questions, please guys, feel free. Okay?